So for this video, I'm going to show you how you can trace your back window. You want to make sure that your paper is larger than the window that you're going to trace. And if you need, you could also tape two pieces of paper together if it's not big enough to cover the whole window. So you'll need your piece of paper and your two pieces of tape. So you'll tape that down. I'm making sure that my paper fits the whole window. I'm going to pull this up a little bit. And you're only going to tape the top sides. Okay, so I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to score here, and I'm staying on the outside of the rubber. I'm not going on the inside of the rubber. Using my fingernail to score, and you're going to go around a couple times. Going around a second time. Okay. Next, you're going to grab a pen. And you're going to trace that indentation. Along the score. You can use a Sharpie if you want to. Going over just to make sure the lines are dark. And when you're done, you can write your name and your make and model. So I'll write my name, and the make and model. And the year.